From beautiful Barbados, the Caribbean Workout. Featuring Canada's premier fitness instructor, David Snively.
Hi everyone, welcome to Barbados. Welcome to a muscle toning workout. Now all you need at home is a chair and a mat, and if you have some weights, keep them handy as well. The focus of today's show is on posture. Right? Very important, right, Jose?
It's so important.
Right. We're gonna show you neutral posture, and then we're gonna do a lot of exercises. In fact, almost everything we do today will focus on improving your posture, both stretching and strengthening the body. Right, Shelley?
Right, David.
And by the end of the show, we'll all be walking around with books on our heads, right? Doing a conga line with books on our heads. Just starting here with a step touch. Here we go. Step touch to the side. Take it out. Take it out. Looks good. Now from here, we'll just start lifting those shoulders up and down slowly. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Good. Just warming up into the trapezius, the upper trapezius, the muscles of the upper back. Okay, now just take the arms in front and row back and front. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Okay, we're gonna focus on the muscles of the upper back, around the scapula, those muscles that really lift the shoulders up and back and improve our posture and may help relieve common pains that you have, especially in your neck area. Some people, have pains in their neck. You don't realize your head, the average head weighs about 16 pounds. It's true.
How interesting.
How interesting. It's heavy, your head. And you got to carry that head around all day long. So imagine if your posture's bad and your head's hanging out here like a lot of people. They walk around like this. That's heavy. So you might find you get pain. Neck pain. We want to avoid that. Some people have lighter heads. Some people are a little heavier. Two more. Now just take the arms down to the lower. Pull up and out with the elbows. Up and out with the elbows.
We're kind of rehearsing the moves we're going to do with the weights.
That's it. We're rehearsing what we're going to do with the weights later on. Here we go. Two more times.
Preparing the muscles.
Take the arms up higher, preparing the muscles for the real workout. We're trying to, as we always say, increase the temperature of the muscle, and it's not hard here in Barbados because it is a scorcher today. It's a beautiful day. Okay, just take the arms down and just shake it out now. Shake it out. Looks good. Four more, and three. Let's slow this down half time now. Just slow down half time and in. Half time and in. Good. Half time and in. Okay, this time we're going to take it out and hold it. Drop your hands down on the thighs. We're going to move through the spine, roll up slowly, and then we're going to release. So you're taking that navel up and in, and then releasing. So you're moving through the lower back and releasing. Try to really isolate through the lower back and then release. Okay, continue with this particular exercise. Here's today's lifestyle tip. More than